guys, welcome back again to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Today we're going to look into another type of an active directory attack called as the hash attack. It's a very common type of technique that pen testers use, hackers use in their day-to-day activity. Even when you're doing CTFs kind of technique that you also can apply to. But I just feel like something I should just shed more light on, talk a little bit about it. Also, this is a very common type of attack, so a lot of us must have seen or done something like this before, but just for educational purposes only and just for demonstration, I'd like to demonstrate how it works. And for people who are still new to the pen testing field, you can understand much better of what this attack looks like and how you can utilize it. So before I go to the demo part of it, I just want to talk a little bit about it. So is a actual technique where an hacker or an attacker capture a password hash, but mostly NTLM hash, and thereby they use this to authenticate as a user without needing to know the actual plain text password. So what happens is that you don't need to try to crack the hash. You just need to use that hash and access that particular user account or log as a user account or remotely access that user account. Depends on how you want to use it. But the most important thing is that you don't need to crack it to know the plain text password. You just need to pass the hash. That's why it's called pass the hash attack. So I feel like something that is very interesting, and it's a very cool technique to know how it works. So without wasting much time, we dive into the demo part. I have an Active Directory lab set up already that I'm going to use. Just going to use mimikatz to dump the hash. Then we're just going to pass the administrator hash and log in into the administrator account using Windows Remote Management tool to do that. So let's dive into it. I'm going to share my screen so we can see how it works. Just a moment. So you should be able to see my screen right now. So I'm going to log into my Kali, and I'm going to log into the Windows server that I've already set up with this particular user. We're going to use that machine as for our demo for today. So I will log in into the machine. So what I'm going to do now, I already have mimikatz on the system already. So on the download folder, just use that to dump the credit, and from there we can get the administrator hash and just pass the hash from there. So we'll open the command prompt with administrator privilege. So let's see into the directory. So list the directory. You can see there's one local this. I'm going to run mimikatz. So we have mimikatz running. Excuse me. So mimikatz is open now. Let me expand it a little bit. So here we can dump the eyeball. For that, I'm going to use the privilege. So let's dump the hash. We can use let's say dump. Let's just this. So there's a command we can use to dump. This we only dump the NTLM v2 hash. NTLM hash precisely, and the users. It won't give us too much information, just only the user and the hash. So as you can see, we're successful. We dump all the users hash and NTLM hash in the system. But the most important one, the one I want us to look into, is the administrator hash. So if you look at it, now this is the administrator user, and there's the hash here. So this is what we're going to use. This is the hash we're going to pass. I'm not going to crack it, like I said. Sometimes the user might use a complex password you won't be able to crack. But this is where the technique comes in, that you don't need to crack it, just pass it as you see it. So I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to use that to uh, log in. So I'm going to minimize this. I'll go to my client. We're going to use the WinRM. So I'm going to replace this one with, so like the doubts, log to login as. So this is the hash we copied. I'm going to replace the user with the administrator. Yeah. So this is what we need. The machine IP address is correct, and that's it. We don't need to crack it. All we need to do is to just run it and like this. So now you see we have access to the administrator. You see, we have access as an admin. So these are these attack works, and I believe we have all learned something, especially the new people, the new base that are still very new in the pen testing field. These are this type of attack works. And thanks, I appreciate you everyone, and thanks for watching again. Thanks for watching. You've been a great supporter of this channel. And let's look out for more videos on Active Directory attacks, and I will see you on the next video.